Hey, I'm Leon, and this is Chicken Alley. Gonna be making some smash burgers, some pig shots, some jalapeno poppers, and some Mexican street corn. The first thing we'll be making today are pig shots. Pig shots are andouille sausage, a little bit of bacon, cream cheese with some peppers, some of the meat church honey hog, a little bit of cheese. Whip it up. Put it into this guy. Stick it in the smoker for an hour. The second pig shot we're gonna make is andouille sausage, cream cheese with some seasoning in it. It's a secret. Piece of pineapple. We're gonna tie it together with a piece of bacon, just like the first pig shot. Wrap her around, give her a little cut. It is not as pretty as I had hoped. And then a little bit brown sugar on top, and voila! Like this. And everything is better with bacon. Put these in the smoker for 30 minutes. Yeah, man. The first part of any good burger is smoked brisket. The second good ingredient in a burger is ground ham. And then, of course, ground beef. I like the 80-20 mixture. And then the secret ingredient, I like to do a little bit of the meat church barbecue holy voodoo. Basically salt, pepper, paprika, and some garlic. Just mix her all up. We spent all this time prepping this food. Time to get into it. Oh yeah, baby. Those turned out pretty nice. Yes, we gotta get them off. Yes. What happened at Chicken Alley?
I took a bunch of kids on an 8-day hiking trip to the Superior Hiking Trail.
How many miles did you do?
We did about 64. We went from Finland, Minnesota to Lutsen.
And what did you want when you got done?
Burgers.
From where?
Chicken Alley.
What?
Well, that was a fun day at Chicken Alley. I hope you guys had fun. Tune in next week when we do something else cool.